In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gumroad to sell your digital products. If you're a creator looking to monetize your work, Gumroad offers a straightforward way to create product listings and reach your audience. Let's dive into the process, beginning with signing up and completing your profile and payout settings. This foundational step sets you up to create products and manage transactions efficiently. It's important to provide accurate information, as this will be the basis for your product sales, payout process, and client relationship. Moving on to creating a new digital product, you'll need to navigate to the product's dashboard and select New Product. Here you'll choose an appropriate product type that best represents what you're offering. Whether you're selling an ebook, video tutorial, or music file, adding your product information accurately is crucial. The product's dashboard is a central hub where you can continuously manage and edit your listings as needed. Next, you'll want to add your product files and content. This step involves uploading the digital files that your customers will receive upon purchase. It could be anything from a PDF or an ebook to templates, video files, audio files, or even software. Ensure that the files are properly formatted and ready for download, as Gumroad will deliver these to your customers once their checkout is complete. Setting your price is the following step. Here you determine the amount your product will sell for, but Gumroad also offers a flexible pricing option called Pay What You Want. This option allows you to set a minimum price and let your customers decide if they want to pay more. It's a strategic way to attract a wide customer base while giving those who feel your product is worth more the opportunity to contribute extra. Creating an attractive product page is key to making sales. Start with a clear product title and follow with a detailed description. This is your chance to engage potential buyers, so include appealing cover or thumbnail images, along with a comprehensive breakdown of what the buyer will receive. If your product has different versions, such as with varying content or pricing, this is where you would detail those options. Once your product page is all set up, it's time to publish and share it. Sharing is essential to drive traffic, so use platforms like social media, YouTube, or blogs to spread the word. Additionally, Gumroad provides website widgets that can be easily embedded in your own site, allowing visitors to purchase directly. To complement your individual product listings, building your Gumroad store is essential. Set up your profile complete with a name, bio, and a collection of your products. This store acts as a virtual showcase where potential buyers can browse what you have to offer and even become followers. Finally, promoting your product is a continuous task. Utilize everything from social media campaigns to email newsletters to keep your audience engaged and updated about your offerings. Consistent promotion will play a significant role in driving your sales and expanding your reach. Follow these steps and you'll be well on your way to successfully selling digital products on Gumroad. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been both clear and helpful.